Hello there, featured Coconut VAs. I'm Jam, the sourcing and community manager of Coconut VA. And for today's video, I'm going to teach you on how to actually go through the application form. All right. Now, in every job posting, you will see there a link that will lead you to this pre-qualifying quiz. All right. To get to know more about the application and hiring process, you may check the video before this. All right. So you guys can see the big picture, but if you're done with that and you want to be able to be helped when it comes to going through the application form, then this is the right video for you. All right. Every time you click that link in the job postings, it will lead you to this page. So just a tip, okay, a friendly tip from you guys: always read everything that's in that application form or in that quiz. All right. So the moment you click and you see this is the first thing you read. Do not click start right away. Why? Because you will see here the link of the English proficiency test. Okay. So a lot of you guys are asking like, Jam, where can I find the English my English proficiency level? It's here. It's right in front of you. Okay. So again, read and follow instructions. So go to this website, copy and paste, and it will lead you here. Just click start 15-minute test and go through it. And at the end, you'll get to know your result. Once you get the result, then you may start by clicking the start button. So I will not show you what's inside the test. All right. So you just go through it on your own. The purpose of this is to pre-qualify you. All right. It will tell you if you're a qualified Coconut VA or not. All right. So through the test. All right. So with the basic requirements of Coconut VA. Once you're qualified, it will lead you to our application form. But before it leads you to application form, you'll get this confirmation page. You'll get through this confirmation page. Okay? To start with the application form, just click apply now. And then it will lead you to our application form. All right? All you have to do is accomplish everything. So, what's your name? Gender, just read everything. Where are you based in the Philippines? Let's say I'm from Luzon. Registered number 0917-123-4567. Kunwari lang ha. Email, use a professional email, jam.blauta@gmail.com. What's your English proficiency level? You choose here. Just for example, I'm C1, C2. Total years of experience as a VA or remote worker. I am more than 2 years already. A total years of experience supporting US based or BPO, US based businesses, BPO or direct hire. If none, put none. Me, I've been doing 2 years already. All right. Summarize your work experience in 10 sentences. So, dito, ilalagay mo lang yung experience mo here. So, pwede mo lagay dyan, I'm Jam and I have been a virtual assistant for 5 years already wherein I specialize in blah, blah, blah. Okay? 10 sentences only. So, let's just put test run. Ayan. Test run lang ilalagay ko para lang may nakalagay. But again, a summary of your experience in 10 sentences ilalagay mo dito. Dito, you put all the tools, yung mga platform na ginamit mo na, softwares na ginamit mo na, Facebook, Canva, lahat yan, no? QuickBooks, everything. So, ilalagay ko lang dito test run. But guys, ilagay nyo na lahat dito. Project management tool. Put everything here. Alright? Kasi sometimes, what recruitment does is filter in the system a specific tool. Kumari, go high level. Okay? And then, that's when they will start sourcing people or candidates with go high level experience. So make sure you put every tool that you've used and you're familiar using already. All right. Now, next is in 5 sentences or less, specify what kind of role you're looking for. Okay? So, ilagay mo lang dito, I'm looking for a social media role, management role. I saw this post from Facebook group with the job code, blah, blah, blah. Right? So, ilagay niya dyan. So, ako ilalagay ko test run kasi this is for, ano lang naman, um, walkthrough purpose. But 5 sentences or less lang. All right. So, I'm looking for a role for clients that needs help when it comes to content creation, specifically video editing, content planning, ilagay nyo dyan. All right. Next, hourly rate. Okay, what are you expecting? I'd say, kunwari, $8 to $10. Diba? Pwede yan multiple. Pwede 11 to 14. Pwede yan multiple. 5 to 7. Up to you. How many hours are you available to work per week? Kung kaya mo ng 20 hours a week, go for it. Kung kaya mong 40 hours a week, go for it. Pili ka lang. Alright? What time zones are you willing to work? You can, choose. Kung gusto nyo ng daytime, pak. Ayun na, ilagay mo yan. You can do multiple. If you're flexible, then do multiple. Walang problema. Okay? So dito sa 15, nakalagay lang naman dyan is we offer part-time roles. So it's okay if you have clients. So we're not exclusive. If you have part-time roles, okay, just put all the details here. So you can put, I have one part-time client and I work 20 hours a week flexi time. Ganyan. So ilagay mo dito. Next, if you are a career shifter, you're in the corporate world and you're applying here in Coconut VA, and if you think you have to render as you resign, no, ilagay mo dito. Like ilagay nyo dyan, like for example, once I get a client, once I am officially with a client, I will have to render um, for 30 days as I leave. Or pwede mo dyan na I can resign immediately. You can put whatever status that is here. All right. Next, lalagay ko test run. Baka makalimutan ko. Ayan. Number 17. So what you have to do is to copy this speed test. Okay. Open it in a browser. Test run. I-go mo yan. Then whatever the results is, screenshot and upload here. Okay. Next, okay, dito naman is the Coconut V profile. So may sariling template. Coconut V has its own template. So just copy this. Go to the browser. Sorry. Okay. And then use this template for new design. And then edit your resume. Save as PDF and upload here. There, I will give us a separate video when it comes to how do you accomplish that resume. All right. Then upload here the PDF file. Next is the Big Five personality test. So just copy the link. All right. And then, ayan, paste it to a browser. Okay. Sabi dito is take the test. All right. So you take the test. Pag natapos mo na yan, dito maraming questions, guys. Kasi when you submit the test, it will ask you to pay to get the full results. The answer there, guys, is you don't need to pay. Okay? Whatever result that you get out of it, take a screenshot and upload it here. Again, you do not need to pay to get the full result. All right? Next, intro video. So, sabi dyan, which I'll do another video for this. All right. Create a 1 minute intro video on Loom. So copy mo yan. All right. and then paste it on a browser. All right. Create, sign up, not create a profile, and then record. All right. Then once you're done recording, magge-generate siya ng link. Okay, and then you click the link here so you can share your 1 minute video. There are tips here. Ayan, copy that, paste that here, and makita mo yung tips. But I will upload this here in this channel as well separately. It's on the next modules. Okay, and then right below, dito, makita mo yung links of example effective intro videos. All right. If you click this, copy and paste, no, and check this out, makita nyo a Google Drive file of the guidelines, no, samples, and yung best practices. So nandyan na lahat ng guides for you. You just have to check it out. And this part is very important because this will set you apart from the rest of the hundreds or thousands of people in the pool of Coconut VA. So you have to take this 1 minute video seriously. All right. Again, put the shared link of your Loom video here. And then the last question, how did you hear or learn about Coconut VA? You just choose among these. All right. So after that, once you're done, review muna everything and then click submit and then you're good to go. That's it for me for today. Hopefully this video helps you. All right. Again, read carefully before answering. Triple check your answers before submitting. And take this 1 minute Loom video seriously. Again, there's another video for that tutorial. Huwag tayo magmadali mag-apply. Make sure. Alright? At this point, I'm not encouraging you to apply yet. I'm encouraging you to finish the whole series before you apply. Thank you and good luck on your future applications. Bye.